Are you looking for perhaps the best all-around damper for your Subaru? This is the Racecomp Egnineering Bilstein Strut Kit. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the beautiful Racecomp Egnineering Bilstein Strut Kit. Now, they make these for the 08 Plus WRX, the 08 Plus STI, and of course the 15 Plus WRX and STI. But I've got these here in front of me. Now, they're not a whole lot to look at because really the most impressive part is going to be on the inside. Now, you've probably heard of Bilstein. They're, kind of infamous in motorsport, off-road racing, basically anything suspension related. But in my personal opinion, these are some of the best struts you can put on your Subaru. Subaru, unfortunately, they used to provide an option a long time ago for Bilstein struts. They don't anymore, and so you basically have to leave it to the aftermarket to provide, in my opinion, the best struts you can put on a Subaru, and these are them. Now, these are going to pair up perfectly with an aftermarket spring, whether you go like with the Racecomp Egnineering, they're black, yellows, whatever, or just another aftermarket spring, because they are valved more aggressively. They benefit from a stiffer and slightly lower spring as well. But these are going to give you that European ride, that quality ride, and it's almost hard to put into words because you get that sportiness that you want out of an aftermarket suspension, but you don't get the harshness, the noise, the bounciness, the overly aggressive feeling that you normally associate with aftermarket suspension or aftermarket coilovers. With these, you get beautiful German engineering inside and out, properly dampered, properly valved, and it just really transforms your car into the ultimate daily driver. Now, are these gonna, win the, time attack challenge? Probably not. These are ideal for what I would consider a fun daily driver. If you drive your car to and from work every day, maybe you take it to the track on the weekend, you like cruising up the canyon, these are gonna be for you. These are gonna shine in rough surfaces and soaking up those bumps, but still being able to just throw down some really impressive G-forces in the corners. The handling is superb. It really feels like your car is truly connected to the road, because that's what you want a damper to do. You want to be able to soak up the bumps and always have that tire connected to the road, and that's exactly what you're going to get with these Bilsteins. They are absolutely phenomenal. I cannot say enough good things about them. Do yourself a favor, at least check them out or go ride in somebody's car who has Bilsteins, and you will see what all the fuss is about. Anyway, that's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching this awesome video. We'll see you guys next time.